We're not talking about people getting just their houses flooded. We are talking about that, but I'm talking about houses that's been removed from the foundation. I'm talking about houses that people can't even get into because the floors are gone. We're talking about people that's coming out or going back to their homes, their cars are gone. It's just gone. Our people need help. We're going to be overwhelmed for the next probably 30 days at least, overwhelmed.
It literally sucked us back this way, and that's when we hit the semi and came around the corner just like this, where this house was floating. And once we hit that house, we both went under and she never came back up.
When the water hit and the room filled up, and that's when I lost them. I lost all of them.
And the whole time I held onto a tree for 6.5 hours, screaming that I had babies at the house that needed rescue.
So it's been a huge impact to this small community town that wear these scars for many decades.